Bhanu Prabha. I am the Managing Director of American Road Technology and Solutions Private Limited. We are a Bangalore-based company and we are into servicing the road and road maintenance department in Bangalore and municipalities and corporations around all over India. We have recently launched a machine called Mist Cannon machines. These are supplied to the BBMP, and the specialty of this machine is that it contains a large water tank, and along with it is mounted a unit called the Mist Cannon. Basically the system works that in this large water tank we can mix disinfectant which is sprayed through the mist cannons into the air, and this the disinfectant is sprayed in the form of a mist to really long and far off distance of almost 50 meters. Now these machines, the mist cannon, can go all around the city. It's portable, mobile, it's mounted on a truck chassis and can service all nook and corner of the city. Thereby it's a mobile application and helpful in covering the entire city in a short period of time. The whole concept of mist technology is one of industry's best practices used in controlling pollution, curbing airborne illnesses and diseases, and also it helps in special situations like now, where in Corona or the COVID-19 situation, where we can mix the disinfectant and spray the infectant across the city. Other than this, it can be used during monsoon time to control dengue, malaria and various other illnesses. And throughout the year, it can be used with spraying just simple and plain water into the air, wherein the water droplets will be the size of almost 20 to 50 microns, which are so small that it combines with the dust particles in the air of the size of whether it is a particulate matter of 10 or 2.5, and it brings down the pollutants from the air, hence clearing up the air and making it more breathable, and thereby it improves the general health and well-being of the citizens of the city by breathing pure good air. The specialities of the mist cannon machine is, since it's portable and mounted on wheels, it can go all around the city. The mist cannon can rotate to up to 320 degrees, so it covers the immediate surrounding road and also the nearby cross streets, so that it can be sprayed into long and far off distance, and then the mist what is generated from these cannons are almost of say 45 nozzles are there, which disperses very fine and large amounts of mist that can help in disinfecting the whole neighborhood. The machines are built with very strong and sturdy equipments with the finest of the motors and pumps and a 45 kVA DG set from Kirloskar, and normally is mounted on machines like Ashok Leyland, Bharat Benz or Eicher chassis. So I think these are some of the best machines available now, and what is used for cities, what was earlier not meant for this one, but it is something adapted for today's requirement, and which we are very proud to actually be serving these machines to corporations like BBMP, and we look forward to putting it into very good use very soon. For more information of various other products that we are servicing to the municipalities and corporations in India, you can visit our website, which is www.artspltd.com, wherein you will find our product range and the different concepts and solutions that we are bringing into various municipalities and corporations in India. Thank you.